Okay, in this video, we're going to design a game menu with a title here so that when the player gets to the game, they can see who created it, the fun name, and it's got some color and it looks nice. So what we're going to do is go to the stage on the right. You can follow my cursor around the screen to go to the stage and up to backdrops. And here on the game menu, we're going to first start by converting this to bitmap. When we switch it to bitmap, we have 8 tools, and it's easier to use the paint bucket when it's on bitmap. So I'm going to go choose a color, something that makes sense for my game, and I'm going to do kind of a dark green because I have that on my other tracks, and I can, with my paint bucket, I can fill it in. All right? Once we've filled it in with the color that we like and we're happy with, we're going to convert it back into a vector. So click that blue button, Convert to Vector, and use our text tool. And you can choose our font right here and our color. So go ahead and choose the font, color, and size, and pause the video until you're ready. Okay, so picking up after the pause, we are going to start typing in here with our text tool. I chose white for my color, and I'm going to click out here and begin typing. So you should be choosing a title for your game that makes sense. I've got a beetle for my character. The Beetle Race is an okay name. I don't think my second player in the game will be a beetle. It might be, but Big Beetles, Big Day, or the Big Beetle Race. The Big Beetle Race. Okay, we'll go with that for now. And you're going to be able to change the size by dragging the arrows around like this. Your title should be nice and big. Drag it to where you want it using, you can use the arrow tool and click it and move it around. All right. You should also create a new text box by using the text tool, and down in the center, you're going to type in the word by. You could even type in something like created by, and then put some sort of an online like username, like a gamer tag, not your first name, but I like to use Trisper. That's my name for games. I use Trisper. So created by Trisper. Now I could spend some time and I could move these around a little bit more and play with the sizes, but just hope you found that helpful for adding a title and some information to your home screen. All right, good luck.